The R34 Nissan Skyline GT-R, a legendary vehicle transformed by Mickey Andrade and the Throtl team. This iconic car has been reimagined with a perfect blend of 2000s nostalgia and the latest tuning styles and technology of 2024, creating an absolute masterpiece unveiled at the 2024 SEMA Show. Join us as we delve into the intricate details, craftsmanship, and groundbreaking enhancements that make this Skyline GTR a true standout. Engine and performance. Under the hood, RB25 block bored to 2.6-liter, fitted with an RB2605U cylinder head. A Garrett G45-1600 turbocharger provides around 32 psi 2.2 bar of boost in the current state of tune to deliver 1,219 horsepower, with a CSF Race radiator ensuring reliable cooling. MoTeC engine management system keeps everything in check, controlling a drive-by-wire throttle system and feeding vital data to the MoTeC digital dash display. Ensuring power reaches the front wheels via a drag-spec PowerGlide 2-speed transmission. The rear is driven by a Platinum Racing Products PRP 8.8-inch billet differential with upgraded drive shafts. Interior luxury with carbon fiber accents. The dashboard, center console, door panels, and various trim pieces have been crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, adding a sleek and high-tech feel to the interior. A Zestec steering wheel controller and Rywire CAN module put near total control of the car's systems at the driver's fingertips. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, adjustable power levels, and a range of driving aids are all easily selectable.